Hi friends, welcome back. So I'm Pyle here and right now the time is around 9 and my hubby he already left and from last 2 days it was so hot like कल भी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी था but I didn't vlog yesterday. So today let's see how the weather is outside. Yeah, today it's okay. कल से तो बेहतर ही है. So right now I am planning to make pancake, something different because school अगर start हो जाता है. So most of you know that Rai also eats oatmeal and she was like, no mummy, आज I don't want to have oatmeal. Give me something else. And now we have Chef Rai who will cook everything. आज का सब खाना राय पकाएगी. And looks like my pancake is ready to serve and I add little bit of butter क्योंकि उससे खाने में थोड़ा taste लगता है. And for kids you should definitely give them a proper diet, so definitely butter also is essential for them. And she will have pancake with some strawberries and definitely pancake won't taste good if you don't add some fresh maple syrup. And maple syrup is a must for pancake, तो भी खाने में बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. So for breakfast I am having fruits and only 2 small pieces of pancake. So वही हो गया बस बहुत सारा. I am having fruits and many of you were saying that why don't I make smoothie? You know, I'll start everything from next week. Let's rice school start ho jaye, then it will be little bit easy for me. And now after having our breakfast I'm going to go to bed bath, as I'm planning to buy a vacuum cleaner. Like I have vacuum cleaner from like for my downstairs and for my upstairs also I have a small vacuum cleaner. But what is the problem in this floor, whenever I have to vacuum मुझे नीचे से vacuum cleaner लाना पड़ता है. And yeah, many of you, in fact my hubby always says me that why don't I buy a iRobot. But what is iRobot, right?
Yeah, iRobot, but there's so many stairs.
Yeah, but what is the problem of iRobot is that अगर मेरा घर एक ही फ्लोर पे होता then it is really useful if you have a floor, like if you have a house which is in one floor, that is very useful. But that is a big problem for me. And the problem is that from my kitchen to living room also there is like there is a border, so iRobot it can't go. And if it only does in living room, मेरा living room ऐसा भी इतना गंदा नहीं होता है. So what is the use? So I'm planning to buy a vacuum cleaner and now like lot of offers are going on. So that's what I'm planning, that after having my breakfast. Yeah.
Student offers or something. They're like student or back to school.
Why back to school? What is the link of back to school of student and vacuum cleaner? So whenever I think of purchasing anything which is little expensive, I always read the review and I compare with other vacuum cleaner because I don't want to buy the things कि अगर sale है, definitely I always believe कि that product which I'm buying that should be nice. So let's go and let's see आज मैं खरीदती हूँ भी कि नहीं. Many times ऐसा हुआ है that I went and then I didn't purchase anything. And we reached and looks like everywhere here they have started for the Thanksgiving, where Thanksgiving though is in November, but you can see all the Thanksgiving thing are here. And so I already took my vacuum cleaner, and this is the one which I have purchased. So originally the price of it was $399, जैसे $400. Yeah, and this thing is called psychological behavior. Like it is 399.99, and you know, if you see 3, हम लोगों को लगता है 300 है, but actually it is 400 only. So this is known as psychological pricing or something, which I read when I was studying MBA. तो मुझे सिर्फ वो ही अभी याद है. And yeah, so the promo was going on, $100 off and 20% off over. So I got again $60 off. So total my price was around $240, which is pretty good. बहुत ही अच्छा deal था. And going home, आज मैं सब कुछ साफ कर दूँगी, because definitely I get very excited, and this was really required for me. Otherwise, like so many years, so much of my time I have wasted just by bringing the vacuum up and taking it down, and yeah, cleaning in a different way. तो इससे I think so मेरा काम थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा. So let's go home, and then I'll cook some lunch also. And yeah, definitely clean तो करना ही है, and I'll show you all that how it looks. So first thing after coming home, that I have assembled everything. Assemble though is very easy, and now I'm charging it. And it seems it will take only 30 minutes to charge. So afterwards मैं use करने जा रही हूँ, and this is the cordless one. तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा useful है. And I'll just say you all the name. This is the Dyson. Yeah, I'll just show you all. So this is the vacuum cleaner. This is Dyson V7 Animal. I don't know why did they write Animal. And if any one of you have this vacuum cleaner, please write down in the comment section. So definitely I feel that this was a very good deal, as I have saved a lot of dollars, and it was worth waiting, because as I told you all, iRobot will create a lot of problem. As you all can see this partition. So anyhow, if I purchase the iRobot, what will happen? You can see it will go and it will stuck here. So then only it will clean my kitchen, and again I have to bring it to my living room. So this is the best thing. And ऊपर से this is cordless. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ. I hope so that it helps me reducing little bit of my like workload, and yeah, little bit of my time also will be saved now. So now in excitement I am going to clean everything. And जब भी कुछ नया खरीदो, पता नहीं मुझे like साफ करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And this is really lightweight, and it makes your job so easy. Like Rai is cleaning it so smoothly. And अभी अच्छा हुआ, at least of doing झाड़ू and all I can clean with this one. So it will save a lot of my time, hopefully. I have purchased this mats also क्योंकि these mats are only $4. Like for 4 piece they are only giving $4, and now like huge sale is going on, and these mats are similar to this mat. So ये mat बहुत अच्छे है. I think so I've been using this mat for more than 1 year now. So चलो अच्छा ही हुआ मेरा. And I think so the next again sale we will be having is on Labour's Day. Not Labour's Day, sorry, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, is Black Friday. In Black Friday actually we don't go to shop and buy anything. Most of the things we order online only. So that's what now I'm planning. And yeah, today I'm planning that I will make drumstick sabzi. I don't know how many of you love drumstick or not, but drumstick is very good for health also. And because of you people only I came to know that we can get frozen drumstick. So मैंने आज ही today I brought frozen drumstick, so that I will make. And right now I'm planning that maybe I'll take Rai for swimming. हाँ मैं वही सोच रही हूँ, I'll take Rai for swimming maybe for 1 hour. Been around more than 1 hour. Rai is swimming, and आज the weather is good, it is not sunny. So what to do, I am walking now. How long you want to stay, Mama?
What?
How long you want to stay?
I'm looking at it.
If you want you can do, we can do sometime. I'm fine. Finally we are done and going back home. And what are those flowers? अगर आपको name पता है तो definitely see, it's looking so beautiful. तो अभी घर में जाके खाना पकाना है. First I'll give Rai something, as when you swim you get hungry because you lose a lot of calories. So swimming is very good. So today I will be making something new जो मैंने पहले कभी भी नहीं बनाया है. In fact after coming to US this is the first time I am making, क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था that we get frozen drumstick. So this is a frozen drumstick curry I am making out of mustard paste. Like ये बंगालीज में बहुत common है. And this is the yellow mustard paste, like the yellow mustard, and I have made the paste. And जब मैंने paste बनाया, always when you make mustard paste in any grinder or mixie, always add little bit of salt in it. So I have added salt in it and little bit of, and I have added 1 green chili in it. So let's make drumstick curry. And if you love drumstick, definitely you can try this one. I remember like मेरी जो दादी थी, I'm sorry मैं बहुत ही confused हो जाती थी दादी नानी सबको लेके. Anyhow, so मेरी जो दादी थी, she used to make this drumstick curry amazing. मुझे पता नहीं कि कैसा होगा खाने में, क्योंकि at the end of the day ये frozen है and I don't like frozen. कोई कोई सामान अच्छा होता है, कोई कोई इतना अच्छा नहीं होता है. बट डेफिनेटली आई नो इन इंडिया तो आपको हर वक्त फ्रेश ही मिलता है. या एंड हियर ऑल्सो आई हैव हर्ड दैट इन मेनी ग्रोसरी स्टोर वी गेट फ्रेश ड्रमस्टिक. इनफैक्ट लेट मी सी हाउ दे लाइक इट. इफ दे लव इट देन मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम when I'll go to New Jersey to any Indian store I will see whether I can get it or not, क्योंकि फ्रेश बनाने में डेफिनेटली और भी अच्छा लगेगा. एंड आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम स्विमिंग राय को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगा था, सो वी हैड सम लेफ्ट ओवर फूड फ्रॉम येस्टरडे, तो वही राय ने खा लिया. लाइक येस्टरडे आई मेड एग करी एंड आई डिडंट व्लॉग ऑल्सो येस्टरडे. सो कल हम लोग मूवी देखने गए थे, क्रिस्टोफर रॉबिन्स, क्योंकि राय को वो मूवी देखना था. और आई ऑल्सो थॉट इट विल बी गुड बिकॉज डिज्नी जनरली अच्छे मूवीज बनाते हैं, बट आई डोंट नो, आई डिडंट लाइक एट ऑल मुझे मतलब बहुत ही बकवास मूवी लगा. इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू हैव सीन दैट मूवी, राइट डाउन ऑन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट did you love it or not. I didn't like that movie. मुझे लगा जी बनाना है, they made that movie. तो let's make now. And definitely as I am adding mustard paste, so whenever you are making something with mustard paste, always use mustard oil. तो खाने में और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. So when the oil is hot, at that time first I will fry some potatoes. And I'll add little bit of salt and turmeric powder in it. And we won't fully cook the potatoes. We will cook until like 70% of the potatoes is cooked. So once my potato is 70% done, at that time I will take it out. And in the same oil I'm adding now some finely chopped garlic. ज़्यादा नहीं, I have taken only 3 garlic and finely chopped it. And now I am adding some dry red chili. And be very careful, don't burn the garlic. And now I am adding the drumstick. And I'll add little bit of turmeric powder and salt. And I'll cover it with a lid for around 5 to 10 minutes until your drumstick becomes little bit soft. So looks like now my drumstick is little bit soft. So at that time now I'm adding the mustard paste. And I'll mix everything nicely. And now I'll add little bit of water. And again cover it with a lid in medium flame. So it's been around 10 minutes and now I'm adding some green chilies, and the drumstick are cooked nicely, so I'm adding the potatoes and little bit of sugar and little bit of water. And now I'll add little bit of mustard oil, but if you don't want, no need to add mustard oil क्योंकि इससे बहुत ही अच्छा एक mustard का flavor आता है. And then after 5 minutes you can see my drumstick are perfectly cooked and my potatoes also are looking great. So now I'll add some cilantro, that is coriander leaves, and yeah, our sabzi is ready. Definitely if you are trying it for the first time, you should try it if you love drumstick क्योंकि ये खाने में बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. And this one goes perfectly with hot rice. I don't give all my utensils in dishwasher because some of the big utensils which takes a lot of space, I always wash it with my hand. And in some comment someone wrote me long back that I spend a lot of time in kitchen, so I'll say what to do, we don't have any help. So definitely if you cook you have to spend a lot of time in kitchen. And today बोलते हैं ना मेरा भूत सवार हो गया है to clean everything, and this thing is so handy that it till now it's making my life easy. तो अब से मेरा घर और ज़्यादा साफ रहेगा. So right now मम्मी का job is a never ending job and entertaining your kid is very hard. So अभी मैं राय को पार्क में लेके जा रही हूँ. She will be playing there for half an hour and then we'll go back home and चलो मेरा थोड़ा walk भी हो रहा है. So mommy's job is really hard and मुझे I hate staying in home and not to do anything and watch TV. I am so allergic to TV कि मैं अपने हबी को बोल भी रही थी कि let's केबल ही कट कर देते हैं, as हम लोग कोई भी टीवी नहीं देखते हैं. And my hubby was saying that here many house when the kids go little bit big they don't have TV only. He was saying about one of his colleague It seems she don't have TV only. So I was saying mine, but you know now there is a lot of way. If you don't have TV also you can entertain. So many ways are there. So finally park is over and this I think so whole summer most of the time मैंने यही ड्रेस पहना है and I'll show you the slippers जो हम लोग इंडिया भी I didn't take any slippers like any sandals. I just took one sandal and after coming also like I'm wearing this I think so whole summer I wore this sandal only, right?
Yeah.
And Rai also. I'll just show you my sandals. So many of you are always concerned that like most of the area you can see like koi bhi nahi hai. So many of you are concerned that is it safe or not. So our place is very safe. Like यहाँ पे if you walk also night 12 or 1, trust me, only like coyotes and all वो सभी आ सकते हैं. Other than that it's nothing.
I mean Halloween, they don't allow you.
Yeah, Halloween like this place is like perfect place for when you have kids. यहाँ आके रहो. Otherwise for young people this place might be very boring.
In our news,
Yeah.
once it was Valentine's Day, and our news said the 3 most boring places for couples, and ours was first.
Yeah, it was what is the boring place for Valentine's Day and this was like
Couples.
number 1 couples and we were like waiting कि हम लोगों का place का नाम ना आए, this is impossible.
And
So,
ours was
so
first.
2 came and then 1 it should be and this one was the first. So after coming back, I just found out that my SD card, which is the main thing, is not working. I पता नहीं क्या हो गया. Maybe I have to buy a new one so I can continue today's vlog. And I wanted to share something important with all of you. So chalo, maybe I'll see you all next week. So that's it for today, everyone. And sorry I could not share you the chicken recipe also. I hope you all have enjoyed my video. If so, definitely hit that like button, and yeah, those of you who are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe. That's it for today, everyone. Bye bye.